Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane with the Heart, and I'm back to share some tags. So these are some tags that are going to go into the altered book that I am almost finished with. But I wanted to share the tags because the tags, I spent a lot of time on them, and this way I won't have to spend too much time talking about the tags when I show the book, because the book is pretty massive. So anyway, these are the tags that I made. I made all different sizes, and it kind of worked out because I also wanted to join a tag challenge, and so I have tags to take a picture of for that challenge, so really worked out. So I used scraps from the collections that I am using, which I'll talk more about it in my altered book, but I'm using Martha Stewart collection, as well as an older recollections collection from Michaels. And so this is paper from the Recollections collection. So I use that super cute AliExpress bear, and I've seen people use sort of teardrop eyes on him, which I love. So I'm probably gonna try that out. But I also used a ton of product that I got from Tuesday Morning. So just to give you an idea, it's all scattered all over the place. But all these different little bits, and you'll see little pieces of all of these different collections that you'll find them, so I have definitely, it's all like everywhere. And I used a lot from this collection right here, which is Hallaberry. So I used a lot. I just grabbed a bunch of stuff that I had, in a box that I got from Tuesday Morning, and I just dispersed it everywhere. So I used glitter paper that I kind of had out already for my last projects that I was working on. And then this tag is super simple. I used my reinforcer punch from We Are Memory Keepers. I love that sucker. And then this like silver and white twine is a Park Lane from Joann's. So I really like that. I use that for all of these tags. And then of course this is a Snow and Cocoa little snowflake. And then this little tag right here, and these are all pre-made tags, and I left them blank so they could be journaling, or she can take them out and just tie them on a package. This is from that Holiday House American Crafts from Tuesday Morning, these two pieces. And then this is a pink paisley, and that's just a super simple tag. This one right here, I used this confetti. I hauled this in my mind's eye warehouse sale. I had bought the Halloween confetti, which I love, and it comes with a ton of confetti. So the price seems kind of high, but they were half off when I bought them. There's a tons, 100 pieces in here. And then I used some pieces from here, which I really do like. So this one, it says ho, 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 and then I have the Santa. And then for the Santa, I just did a little bit of stickles on his outfit and on his hat. And then this one is my very favorite tag out of all the tags that I've made for this project. This is my favorite one. And this is using this Gingerbread Lucy, which I'll be hauling shortly. I just haven't gotten a chance to haul my CC Designs haul, but I got this gingerbread. I think she was half off, 40 or 50% off. I can't remember, but I picked her up. She was out of stock the last time I ordered, and so she came back in stock, so I came and got her. And she's really, really cute. And I just did some layering, so I'm using some paper from the collections that I'm using for the altered book. These are Tuesday Morning pieces, and then this big circle die, as well as this tree and this star, are from that My Mind's Eye confetti. And I just colored it in with my Copics. I did a little bit of stickles on her, and I just think it came out really cute. And then I used these last three are from the newer Julie Nutting release, her Christmas release. And I had pulled all of it out, and I just started with the first one I grabbed. I actually didn't even get to the girls yet before I decided that, it was enough tags because I had other things to do for this project. And so I still think it came out really cute. So this is like the little reindeer, and it comes with this North Pole, which I just colored in with my Copics. He's colored in with Copics. This is a Nouveau drop, and this is from that Holiday House from American Crafts. And then this is a bird from the Martha Stewart paper collection that I'm using, which just seemed to kind of tie everything together, and you just need a little bit of color. So that's that one. And then this one is also a Julie Nutting, and you can probably see some of the products that I've used. So this is like the present and the tree are both Tuesday morning. This snowflake and this holiday cheer is My Mind's Eye. And then I did this sweet little fox colored in with my Copics. So I think that one's really cute. And then the last one that I want to share with you guys is this one. And this one actually comes with a die because I noticed that it was a little cleaner cutting job here. And I just colored it in with my Copics, die cut it out. And then these are both pieces in ephemera that I got from Tuesday morning. And then this is a chalkboard Merry Christmas that I also got from Tuesday morning. And I just kind of layered all of these pieces together to make a really sweet tag. And then in the book, there's plenty of room. You could, the bigger tags, you could definitely put a picture and journal because they are big enough to crop a picture. And then the little ones, most likely, actually, they're not that small. I mean, you could do a picture as well on those. And so those are the tags I'm going to be putting in my book, which is massive undertakings, but I can't wait to show you guys because I think it turned out really cute. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating with the Heart.